A few words about Novactive and myself. I'm Nicolas Genty. I founded Novactive in 1996 in Paris. I'm the CEO of Novactive and Useo, which is a sister company specialized on UX and UI, where Novactive is more specialized on digital engineering.
So I'm Sebastian, and so I'm working in the San Francisco office. So I joined Novactive in 2003, I think, so pretty much 15 years ago. And 4 years ago, we have decided with Nicolas to start the entity in San Francisco, where we base all our innovation labs. And so we are building projects for the US market, but also we are in charge of the different connectors we are doing, and also we're working on projects together.
And Novactive and Useo joined Nextedia Group 2 years ago to enhance the digital factory of the group.
So we have been working with Easy Publish since almost 10 years. Almost 60% of our projects are based on Easy Publish, and also we're trying to push as much as possible when the features are good for that, the enterprise version. So a lot of our clients are using Easy Publish Enterprise and now Easy Platform Enterprise. So our partnership is probably the strongest of Novactive and now Nextedia. And actually, maybe I can let Nicolas develop, but we didn't really decide to be a partner. It makes sense. It made sense to do that, right?
Yes. In other words, we don't want to be just a follower or a spectator, but we want to be a significant partner to win a new client project with Easy.
So being a part of the community, for me, it's really important, because today we are using open source system, and I think open source comes with communities. So I want to be involved with the communities. That's why I've been part of the community board personally for 2 years now. And in fact, it's personally, but it's also really with Novactive, because when we are doing meeting in the community board, it's like during the Novactive time. So everything I'm doing, it's more connected to Novactive. So it's not me, it's more Novactive, which is part of the community board. And it's a way to contribute back to the system, because of course we have business customers, but we are also using sometimes the Easy community version for very small projects. So it's always good to contribute back to open source project, and we are trying to do that when we are building connectors and when we are doing conferences like today or giving talks. It's really to give back what you can get using this community.
We have many projects that are outstanding in different levels. We worked for a company like Figaro Group with sport24.com, which is a website focused on sports events with a huge traffic. We also worked for the press, the French press, with probably one of the most important regional daily press website, La Nouvelle République, with many contributors and many contents. We also work for a group called the Atlantic Group, with a multi-website platform based on the Easy 2.x, and of course French big public client like French Ministry of Culture.
In the US, obviously, we are smaller than in France, but we have some good clients. For instance, in 2015, we've worked with The Economist, and they decided to give us the responsibility to revamp their subscription system, to build a marketing CMS where all the marketing team could build a very specific buyer flow for their customer. So that was a very good project that we were in charge of. And recently we worked with Aibu.com, and the problematic of Aibu.com is they wanted a CMS to store all their content, but they wanted to be able to manage all the pages as a landing page. So it was very convenient when Easy Platform 1.x was released, because we have decided to go for it right away with them on this project. But we didn't stop to that. We also decided to use Easy Platform Cloud. So I'm not sure, but I think it's one of the first Easy Platform Cloud projects in the US, and it was very convenient to use because we were working with the technical team of Aibo.com, and so Easy Platform Cloud and Platform SH, we were able to work simultaneously on everything with the client, with the US team and the French team. We've done a lot of projects with Easy connectors. For instance, we have the SEO bundle that has been around for years. We are working on Easy Slack. We talked about it to connect Slack and Easy. We have also developed recently something called Easy Mailing to be able to create newsletter and send it for our clients. So all of that is very convenient and great for our customer, but we are also doing more, and sometimes we are making projects in collaboration with Easy System in this strong partnership that we have. And for instance, we have developed Easy Launchpad, which was the innovation of the year, by the way, last year in London. And we have also recently, thanks to the Connector competition program, we've developed an Easy automated translation bundle. So it was a real collaboration between Novactive teams and Easy System teams, and we are looking forward to do more of that because we are helping our client doing that, but also our partner and Easy System and all the community, and that's something we will like to work on. And also we've done the Siteimprove connector and the Cloudinary connector, so we would like to meet those people, and I think I'm also lucky to be in San Francisco because I can meet those people there, and then we're trying, when it fits, we're trying to build this connector around people sometimes, because first it's people and then we build the connector to connect the technology of those people.